Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani word of today. Today's word is XİYAR. Well, it can be it can be just the name of the veggie, but it can also mean slang word, that's why I laughed. Let's continue. XİYAR. XİYAR is cucumber, but it's also used figuratively for an idiot. Let's see some phrases. Buy a cucumber. Call him an idiot. Bir xiyar almaq. To buy almaq. Bir xiyar a cucumber. One bir. Onu him or her. Xiyar adlandırmaq. Adlandırmaq is to name or to call. So to call someone an idiot basically. Let's see some sentences. Bazardan xiyar almaq istəyirəm. I want to buy a cucumber from the market. From the market, bazardan. Almaq istəyirəm. I want to buy. Remember? İstəyir wants, istəyirəm I want. Bazardan xiyar almaq istəyirəm. You can also say mən bazardan xiyar almaq istəyirəm, but if you want to sound like local, you can skip the man part, which means I. Let's see another sentence. Onu xiyar adlandırmaq düzgün deyil. That's not right to call him an idiot. Technically, an idiot is ahmak. But if you want to sound like local, and you're going to hear it a lot, some people call other people xiyar. I'm sorry, but that's how it is. Now, onu, him or her, adlandırmak, to call, to name, düzgün değil is not right. Düzgün right, değil it's not. Onu xiyar or ahmak adlandırmak düzgün değil. That was today's word xiyar. Here's my dad joke use case. Don't bring xiyars to my party. Thanks for watching. Check masterazerbaijan.com for more and come back tomorrow for a new word and don't call anyone xiyar. Cheers.